Massachusetts. I won't be able to drop the load off today, but I will. We're dropping this shit off tomorrow, and then I'm going to New Jersey next. But I don't know where I'm going after that. Man, it ain't that cold out here. It ain't that cold out here. It's a little 46. I hate driving automatics, bro. I hate it. I'm gonna catch y'all, boy, when I get dug out Massachusetts. Alright, y'all, boy, we in Pennsylvania right now. Ain't too much going on this side. I wish I went. I forgot what interstate I took to get to, but there ain't really too much going on over here on this interstate. I just passed a truck not too long ago that was burnt up. My fault, y'all, boy. Going on hill, we finna be going slower hill, the hill. But I meant to tell y'all something too yesterday in the other video. Make sure you figure out what company you want to go with next. I'm talking about you want to go with next. Make sure you figure out what company you want to go with before you go take your test. If you want to start with a business, or you have to start with a business or a company, make sure you figure out what company you want to go with before you start studying. And if it's the company you want to go with, like say you want to go with like US Express, and they don't, and you call like 3-4 companies, always go with the company that called back first, because you know what I'm saying, that's what I did with this company. So I called 3 companies and they called me back first, so that's who I went with. But step 2, man, take your skills test. My fault. Every time I go into the other lane, or like that's the white line, the damn music wanna keep coming on and shit. So I keep stopping the camera. But yeah. Pass your skills test, man. Like, pass that, and the skills test is when you do 90 degree, 45, and straight back. And then you drive on the road. The main thing they be worried about, what's gonna fail you, is the curves. If you hit a curve, they will fail you. Will fail you if you hit a curve. So that's what my company did to one of the people that was in my class, in my group. All he did was graze the curve. They failed him. Yeah, retake it. So don't hit no curve. Oh yeah. And yeah, when you do after you pass your skills test, I don't know how all companies go about it, but I know Prime, you stay with a trainer for 3 months. The company I'm with, you stay with a trainer for 3 weeks. And I'm glad I didn't go with Prime, because that shit dead. But I don't really know the other companies, how many months or weeks you stay with them. But yeah, and then I'm gonna tell you right now, not all trainers be clean. They're rare. My trainer was dirty as fuck. When I mean dirty, he was dirty as fuck. Told him, I asked him a couple times, could you take a bath? Didn't do that. He only took a bath one time, and that was the first day. Shit, I don't even know if he took one. Shit. But that was the first day I got in the truck with him, and we went straight to Utah. Then this nigga never brushed his teeth. Like, the 3 weeks I was with him, never brushed his teeth. Never. So, y'all just be prepared for that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I told my company, I guess I don't know if they believe me or not, but they did not get on him about it, so. Yeah. That shit was disgusting. One of the worst 3 weeks of my life. Any food he gave me, I did not eat because I didn't trust him. I was not trusting that nigga. I hate when motherfuckers see me. Motherfucker in my kill zone right now. You see me going downhill fast as hell. Like, why are you, and then you go slow, like, you get in front of me and then you slow down. Like, that shit is aggravating. Fuck. I hate when niggas do that shit, like. But, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the next state. We're in Pennsylvania right now, if I didn't say it. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the next state. This interstate, I'm on I-80 right now. This interstate kind of boring. You know what I'm saying? This kind of boring. Ain't really nothing. I wish we were on the I forgot what interstate that was, bro. I'll show y'all hella stuff on that interstate. Once I figure out what interstate that was, I'll let y'all know. But I can show y'all hella shit. How trucks all in the trees and shit. How they couldn't get them out. I can tell y'all hella shit. But y'all stuck tools and shit, y'all know what I'm saying? But y'all keep grinding and shit. Always stay motivated, put God first. Y'all good. I'll catch y'all later. Alright, y'all boy, I'm still in Pennsylvania. Shit, I gotta go to New Jersey to rest, cause that's the closest truck stop. Closer to Massachusetts. But yeah, still in Pennsylvania. Oh shit, my fault, I had to yawn. But yeah, we still in Pennsylvania, man. I'm tired of driving. I ain't gonna count y'all, boy. I got 2 hours left until I stop. But I'm gonna be giving y'all these truck POVs until I get off the road. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I wanna record every day. I wanna put shit out every day. I know some people like the POVs, no matter whether they're truck driving, cat, no matter. So get y'all truck driving for about a few weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 weeks. Then when I get back home, I'm gonna be doing more than just. I'm gonna be doing get back in the cat and doing POVs on that, and then I'm gonna be also doing more than just POVs in the cat. on some other stuff. Hopefully I can get that all done while I'm there. I know what I'm trying to do is gonna take a few days, so I gotta see what I'm gonna do. But I definitely finna be adding some stuff when I come back home, depending on if the order get here in time or whatever. But yeah, hopefully that shit, like what that is a world, man. Like a Daytona over that bit, back in the trailer. But yo, be adding shit to the cat. When I get back home, I really can't wait though. Probably don't sound like it, but I can't wait. Shit, but I definitely want to go back home to the cabin. Every time you're on the road, I miss that car, man. And for those who don't know the truck game, how long you want to stay out, how long you should stay out, I recommend, me personally, I recommend 3 weeks to a month at the most. Some people stay out 2 months. I did it before, but I don't see how they do it. I can't do that shit no more, never again. But I say 3 to 1 month at the most. 3 weeks to 1 month at the most. Cause I can't do no more than a month. But I still make money if I stay out 3 weeks to a month. I still make money. But if you staying out 1 week to 2 weeks, man, you gonna make money for that 1 week. But that first week you go out, you ain't really gonna make that bread. So I say 3 weeks to a month at the most. But if you like being around family, you be missing a lot of people, missing your family, missing your friends, all that. Truck driver ain't not the place you want to go. Cause you definitely gonna be homesick like a motherfucker until you get used to it. If you don't get used to it, you might as well find something else to do. But I'm gonna catch y'all boy later.